So where you apply your highlighter is going to depend a little bit on the shape of your face and the look that you're trying to achieve. But as a general rule of thumb, just for basic highlight and dimension, so the rule is that you want to make a little letter C from under your brow bone to the top of your cheekbone, because those are the higher planes of your face and it's where the light is going to catch the best. So I'm just going to be using a powder highlight to show you exactly where. So you want to start your little letter C under the brow bone, because that's where the light is going to catch. And then you want to continue it to complete the letter C on the top of your cheekbone. So as you can see, it sits on the higher part of your cheek, not underneath, because if you were to put it under your cheekbone there, that's usually where your contour would go, your bronzer would go. So this sits over the top. And then to finish off, I like to put a little bit of highlighter down the central panel of my nose, just to catch the light and give the illusion of straightness. And a little bit on the cupid's bow, just to add some extra pout to your lid. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon to stay notified for more videos from MyGlamm.